You want to go outside? Want to go for a walk? Is that a yes? So out taking a walk with the dog, getting ready to head to the bus. Our next big project is putting in cabinets, but there's some things we need to do before we put in cabinets. One of those things is some additional plumbing. So when we did the initial plumbing, which you saw several episodes ago, we weren't sold on having a washer dryer yet. Well, Laura was, but I wasn't. So I didn't communicate with my dad that was a possibility, and so we didn't run some of the plumbing. So I've got to install some of that, and I'm gonna do that today. So here we go. So we just showed putting in the plumbing. After I left, I talked to my dad and we were talking about, you know, there's insulation in the walls. We just weren't comfortable with the amount of insulation between pipes and the outside. So I wrapped the insulation in pipe insulation. We got it at Lowe's. It comes with adhesive on both sides and like a sticker on it, so you peel it off, you stick it together. Anyway, that's just gonna provide a little extra insulation. We had the room for it and figured, you know what, might as well do it. It won't hurt.
Nice pipes.
So we just started TOTS up, and as you can tell, it's actually pretty quiet in here. So we're looking forward to that, seeing how it does on the road, but we don't have any real added insulation outside of what we've done on the floor. And we do have these sound dampening panels, which you can kind of see, kind of trippy on video. But no, we're excited. We're feeling good because all the windows are open too, and it's still pretty quiet. It's too hot to keep the windows shut, so we'll see what that sounds like too. But yeah.
So even though there's insulation in the wall, you know, when it's really cold, there's going to be a set of cabinets here, so the heat inside isn't going to get to the pipes. So even though there's insulation back here, we're putting pipe insulation around the PEX pipe, just for make sure our water lines don't freeze if it gets cold, just to be safe. So this is for a 1/2 inch PEX pipe, and it's 1 1/8 inch outside diameter.
Pretty cool. You just peel off the plastic, and let me put one down. You just peel this off and it'll self adhere.
Hey guys, today we're going to be prepping for cabinet install, and we've got some things behind the cabinets here that we're going to need to take care of. So we've got a pipe running to where the sink is going to be, but we need to put a Y in that and continue it along to where the washer and dryer is going to be. And so I'm going to show you how we do that. We're going to be cutting the existing pipe, putting in a Y, and then running the other pipe. So here we go. Okay, so here we've got the Y. It's a 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch, and this is a 45 that'll fit on the end and enable the pipe to continue the same direction. So this is going to fit on the end of the pipe here. The drain pipe to the washer dryer is able to go there, and then this will go to the sink. It'll connect back here. We'll put it right in here, and we'll have to tilt it so it has a little bit of fall to it, like this. So we'll have to cut it right here and install the Y. Well, that's not exactly how I planned on that going. Wouldn't recommend doing it that way. Oh, yeah, sawzalling like that is not recommended. Really dangerous. It could kick out, hit your leg, you could cut through other pipes. It's just not worth it. I was kind of dumb. When you're connecting PVC, you've got a primer, and then you've got a cement, and there's different types of this. Primer is like a cleaner, and you'll apply that almost like a primer, like a first coat, the pipe, and it'll go inside of the fitting as well. And you'll prime it, and you'll put cement, and then you'll stick it together. So here we go. All right, so because this is a drain pipe, there's some slope to the pipe. And so in order for this water in this pipe to get here, there's got to be some slope here. So we did that by rotating this way. And now we've got just a little bit of slope there. And then this piece will fit on here to give us, let's dry fit the rest of this together. All right, so there's a couple spots when you're building a Skoolie where if you get general construction advice from someone, it's not going to apply to a bus. All right, so I made a little bit of a tactical error.